Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set one-handed mode in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to advanced features. And here select one-handed mode. Just turn on this button one-handed mode and click over one-handed mode. Here by default gesture option is available, that is to activate one-handed mode what you have to do is swipe down in the center of the bottom edge of the screen. Okay, swipe down in the center of the bottom edge of the screen here. Okay, swipe down like this and one-handed mode is active. This is right-handed mode. You can use your one hand to access all areas of your phone. Okay, if you click here, it will shift to the left-handed mode. You can use left hand only for accessing all areas of your phone. Okay, you can also adjust the screen like this. Okay, if you tap on empty space, full screen mode will appear. Okay, again I go to one-handed mode. I resize now. Okay, I click on next option button. To activate using button option, you have to double tap on the home screen. That is home button. Okay, double tap on home button will go to one-handed mode. Okay, so in this way you can easily set one-handed mode and use it for your purpose. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.